Book Review: Trust by Hernan Diaz. Hernan Diaz's Trust is a remarkable and multi-layered novel that pushes the boundaries of storytelling. Winner of the Pulitzer Prize, this work is not just a narrative about wealth and power, it is a profound exploration of truth, perception, and the ways history is written and manipulated. The novel is divided into 4 distinct parts, each offering a unique perspective on the life of an enigmatic financier, Andrew Bevel, and his wife, Mildred. This fragmented structure allows Diaz to challenge the reader's understanding of the truth by presenting conflicting accounts, each shaped by its narrator's motives and biases. At its core, Trust delves into the American myth of capitalism and success. Through Bevel's story, Diaz critiques the ruthlessness behind financial empires and the carefully crafted public images that obscure the human cost of such power. The portrayal of Mildred as a silent yet central figure adds emotional depth, as her voice and absence become pivotal to uncovering the truth. What makes Trust truly exceptional is Diaz's mastery of form. The novel's metafictional approach invites readers to question not only the characters' intentions but also the act of storytelling itself. The prose is elegant yet accessible, seamlessly blending historical detail with literary sophistication. This is not a simple or linear read, but it is a rewarding one. Trust demands the reader's attention and reflection, offering a narrative as intricate as the financial systems it critiques. It is a bold, intelligent, and deeply thought-provoking novel that lingers in the mind long after the final page. For those who enjoy literary fiction that challenges convention and engages with timeless themes, Trust is an absolute must-read. Hernan Diaz has crafted a masterpiece that solidifies his place as one of the most innovative writers of our time.